Hello, dear fifth graders. How are you guys? I hope everything is fine with you. Let's solve right now our formative number 7. I will solve all the tests here. Please attention to understand what I have to do. And remember our summative next class. Okay, guys, let's go ahead here. Let's understand all the steps and the things we need to do over here. What is an inequality? Let's think about what is an inequality. This is a mathematical sentence that compares expressions, a mathematical sentence that compares equations, a mathematical sentence that disconnects expressions, and biological sentence that compares expression. Okay, one thing for sure I know it's not a biological thing. We're talking about math. The last one probably not. But the mathematical sentence that disconnect expressions, we not disconnect expression. A mathematical sentence that compares equations. We're not comparing equation. We are comparing expressions. Great, the first one. Number 2. Which graph could represent a number that is no more than 7? Guys, no more than 7. Let's understand here first. A number, always I use x, it is my number. As you notice, as you remember here, we talk about that. A number, let me think about this. No more than. No more than. Can I go more? Like, no more than, can I be 8? No. 9? No. Then for sure the inequality no more than, it is less than. Okay. But can I be 7? Yes, I can. I can be no more than, but 7 I can. Then I have equal sign here. And this is the inequality. Which graph is this inequality over here? X less than or equal to 7. I have closed circle. Yes, closed circle, A or B. Closed circle here. And less than. What direction goes my inequality? Oh, guys, my inequality moves to the left. Okay, probably in the video you're seeing me point to the right, but I'm pointing the left. Okay, left is the position. Which one? Oh, Mr. This one here. A. Great. A. A is my correct answer. This stuff. Just right here in the box, letter A. Or box or circle, doesn't matter. Great, guys. We finished this one. Let's go to the next one. Number 3. Solve and graph the inequality solution. N plus 9 is less than or equal to 2. Remember the steps, guys. Where is my variable? Left or right? Where is it, guys? Here. Here's my variable, Mr. N. N is my variable. What is the math operation tied to the variable? It is adding 9. What is the opposite to adding 9? Subtracting 9. And goodbye positive 9. And solve here. And I just skip it. And is less than or equal to 2 minus 9. Negative 7. Negative 7. Guys, pretty simple. Yes? Really simple here. We solve this step. And here in the box, I write my inequality. And less than or equal to negative 7. Let's graph. I need number 7, or negative 7, sorry. And circle over here. Open or closed circle, Mr. Closed circle. Can you see it? Have a dash. Closed circle. Closed circle here. Okay, I think I understand. Closed circle. Less than. Oh, here, my arrow goes to the left. Here. Nice. Great, guys. That's it, or number 3. Let's go number 4. Number 4. Solve and graph the inequality and show the solution. Guys, here I have C minus negative 8 less than or equal to 10. As you remember, guys, when we are subtracting, we're adding the opposite. Let's add the opposite. C plus, what is the opposite of negative 8? What is the opposite for negative 8? It's positive 8. Just write 8. And rewrite here the equation, less than 10. Nice. Right now, let's go. Here's my variable. Here left. Math operation tied to the variables is adding 8. What is the opposite? Subtracting 8. Subtracting 8 by positive 8 here. And let's solve right now. C less than or equal to 10 minus 8, 2. And my solution, C is less than or equal to 2. Guys, remember here, I don't flip my inequality. I just flip my inequality in two special cases. The number must be negative, and you are moving by multiplication or division. Great. The number to are moving must be negative, and you are moving by multiplication or division. Then you need to flip it. But in this case, I don't need addition, subtraction. Don't do nothing. Just keep it. Here's my number 2. Circle, open or close it. I have a dash. Close it, circle. Close it, close it, close it, close it, circle. Okay, guys, I think I understand. This is a closed circle. Okay, where is my arrow? Less than, less than, less than. Nice. Less than here. Great. And we finish this one. And let's go ahead. Number 5. X is less than 8. Remember, guys, you need to write this. How do I write this? X is less than 8. I'll use this one here because I don't have it. X, here. X is less than 8. Great. I know the translation for this one is this. I need to solve this guy here to be sure to have the same result. Where's my variable x? What is the opposite for negative 11? The opposite of negative 11 is positive 11. Positive 11. But by negative 11, we solve here. X is less than negative 3 plus 11, 8. Is it true or false, guys? Both is equals? Yes. Then here I have a solution through. Okay, through solution. Because they are the same. Great. Number 6. Solve and graph. Let's solve and graph right now, guys. How do we solve this stuff, Mr. Romeo? How do we graph? Let's do it. Guys, right now, a divided by 7 is greater than 4. Where is the variable? Here is my variable, a. My variable is here. What is the math operation tied to the variable? It's dividing 7. What is the opposite to dividing 7? Multiply 7. And goodbye, dividing 7. A is greater than 4 times 7, 28. And here's my solution. A is greater than 28. Nice. Let's write here number 28. I'm looking for numbers greater than. Okay, open or close the circle first. I forgot. Open circle, Mr. Romeo. I don't have a dash. Open circle. Greater than. Greater than. I look for 29, 30, 31. Oh, this direction, mister. It moves to the right. Nice, 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 nice. Let's go. We finished this one. Let's go here. Number 7. Great, great, great. Number 7. Negative 12b is less than or equal to negative 12. Mister. Let's do it right now. Where's the variable? Here. My variable is over here. P. What is the math operation tied to the variable? It is multiplying negative 12. What is the opposite to multiply negative 12? Divide negative 12. Goodbye. How many times negative 12 goes into negative 12, guys? 1 time. P and 1 time. Mister, You moved a negative number. Oh yes, I moved a negative number. Then I need to flip the inequality. I will flip the inequality. Right now is less than or equal to. I change it to greater than or equal to 1. Here is my solution. P is greater than or equal to 1. Number 1 here. Circle. Open or close it? Close it, mister. We have a dash. Okay, thank you. Let's close this circle. Right now, this circle is fully closed. Greater than, it means I'm looking for number 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, move to the right. Okay, nice. We finished this one. Remember, I move a negative number by multiplication or division, then I need to flip the inequality. Okay. Is the value 4.7 solution to the inequality 2.5x less than or equal to 12? Let's solve. Let's solve here. I think we have enough room over here. Here's my inequality 2.5x right here. 2.5. Oh, what is 2.5? X is less than 12. Let's solve then right now. First thing, where's the variable? Left. What math operation tied to the variable? It is multiplying 2.5. What is the opposite to multiply 2.5? Divide 2.5. Divide. Okay? Mister, it's dividing decimals. I taught you, remember? Let's divide then. I have here 2.5 and 12. Remember. Oh, mister, I cannot divide. I need to do something in divisor when I have decimals over there. I need to move this decimal point 1 decimal place. If I do it here, remember here 0.0, I need to move my decimal point here again. Right now I have 120 divided by 25. Now it works. Let's do it. I need, how many times 25 goes into 1? 0 times. How many times 25 goes into 2? 12, for real, 0 times. How many times 25 goes on 125? 120, sorry. 120, it goes 4 times. No, 3, 4, 5. Let's see here, guys, how many times it goes into this number. 4 times. 4 times, 5 times, no, 4 times. 4 times. And it is number 100. 100. Great. 4 times. And here, let's solve right now. I have 20. 20 over here. Great. Do I need to do? Yes, I have a remainder. Let's solve. Let's solve here. Mister, I think you need to add a new number here. Okay, I will. I have a decimal point over here. Slide up the decimal point. Right now it's 4 point and I have a 0 over here. Great. Bring it down. Bring it down. Great, guys. We solved this one. 200 right now. How many times 25 goes in 200? 4 times, 8 times. 8 times, yes? Yes, 8 times. 4.8, 200. And here is 0 and done. 4.8 x is less than 4.8. Is it true, guys? The solution is the value 4.7? 4.7. No, it's not my solution, mister. Then false. Great. Number 9. Translate the inequality using variable and solve. Let's do it. Let's translate this one. The product of a number. The product. What math operation is the product, guys? Multiplication. I use the dash over here. Okay, just use a dash, no, point. Okay. The product. I use a dot for multiplication. The product of a number. My number is x. And number 8. X times 8 has a minimum value. Guys, a minimum value. Imagine, my minimum value here is negative 40. Can I have Negative 50? No. Negative 60? No. Negative 70? No. It means it's not less than negative 40. I look for numbers greater than or equal to negative 40 is the part of the group. I look for numbers greater than or equal to negative 40. Let's right now solve this one. Where is my variable? Here. Math operation tied to the variable is multiplying 8. The opposite, divide 8. Are dividing 8. And here, let's solve. X is a positive number, okay guys? I don't flip it. Greater than or equal to negative 40 divided by 8, negative 5. Then my inequality here, guys, is 8x, or x times 8 is the same thing, greater than negative 40. And the solution is x greater than or equal to negative 5. Great. The value, okay, we're looking for the number must be greater than or equal to negative 5 to be true. Great. We solved this one. Number 10. Number 10, the last one. Taylor is buying shares of stock that cost $8 each. $8 each, guys. Okay, we're talking about shares. Shares. I will use the variable x, okay? Mister, can you use x? Yes, you can use x, y, whatever. I will use x. Great. The shares is the thing we're talking about. Each one costs $8. Each one. Then it's 8 times x. Because 8 each one. If I can spend no more than, guys, we did this in the first question, or the second question, remember, no more than, it means less than or equal to, 250. Nice, that's it. Let's solve right now. What's the math operation? Is the variable x, where is the variable? Math operations times 8. The opposite to multiplying 8 is dividing 8. Let's divide number 8. Put by here. 250 divided by 8. Let's do it together. How many times 8 goes into 2? 0. How many times 8 goes into 25? 3 is 21. And here is 4. Bring it down 0. How many times 8 goes into 40? Oh, sorry. 21. Oh, 24, guys. Sorry, my bad. 24 here. My bad, 24. And here just 1. My bad. Just 1. 10. Sorry, guys. How many times it goes into 10? 2 times. Oh, 1 time. Just 1 time. My bad. 1 time. 10 minus 8. It is 2. Okay, here's number 10. 10 minus 8. It is 2. Oh, miss, I have a remainder. I need to do it? Yes, keep doing. Here's my decimal point. 0. Slide up the decimal point and add 0 here. 20. 20. I bring it out this 0 here. 20. How many times 8 goes into 20? 2 times. 16. And here is 4. Oh, mister, I need more. Then another 0. Bring it down. 40. Okay, bring it down 0 here. Bring it down 0 here. 40. How many times 8 goes into 40? Now is 5. 5 times 40 and 0. My final answer. Great, guys. I know the solution of this stuff. X is greater than or less than or equal to 31.25 shares. Great. Let's do it. Here's the inequality. The inequality is 8x is less than or equal to 250, and the solution it is x is less than or equal to 31.25 shares. Great, guys. Here is the solution for our formative. We finished this one. You submit. I will finish. submit it. I will not submit. I know you know I am the teacher. I not submit it. Guys, that's it. If you have any question, any doubt, you know where can you find me. Love you so much. As usual, see you soon. Bye bye, guys.